Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you a low-cost family house in South Korea built from three 20-foot shipping containers inside a tent. Stay tuned to find out more about this interesting low-cost container house. Welcome back. If you are looking for modern floor plans for container homes, a weekly update on case studies of the most influential shipping container homes from around the world, and detailed articles from our building guide for shipping container homes, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos. Remember to click on the bell so that you get notified whenever we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. This container home was designed by JYA-Architects in the small village town in the southeastern province of South Korea. This low-cost house provides shelter for a family of 7. The designers wanted to renovate an existing house for this family, but it was in such a dilapidated state that building a new one was the only option. However, the cost of building a new house was a big challenge. The architects ingeniously decided to use repurposed shipping containers to minimize on the site works and save on time of construction. The home is built from three 20-foot shipping containers. 2 containers are used for the living quarters and bedrooms, while a third container accommodates the kitchen, a bathroom, and laundry space. The kitchen container is separated from the other containers to form a breezeway that can be opened to the exterior with barn doors in the outer shell. The breezeway is covered with a translucent polycarbonate roof, creating a nice, well-lit open space for outdoor living. However, standalone containers were inadequate to insulate the home from the elements and also lacked sufficient indoor free space. At only 50.4 square meters, it was too small for 7 family members. To remedy these two challenges, a large tent-like structure with light gauge framing and portions of polycarbonate roofing was built around the containers, creating a house within a house. The additional roof plus the outer shell was a clever low-cost method of providing additional semi-outdoor space between and around the shipping containers, simultaneously allowing easier movement within a well-insulated structure. By default, the additional covering created an attic space on top of the container roofs, accessed using a ladder to provide additional space for the family to use. The house measures over 100 square meters of habitable space, including the translucent structure and the roof. From outside, the containers are painted bright yellow, conspicuously visible through the tent-like structure, emphasizing on the sustainability credentials of this project. On the inside, white painted walls make the small container spaces appear bigger and spacious. Bedrooms for 2 boys and 2 girls are separated by a sliding door screen that can be closed to provide privacy or opened to create an open play area. The living room is multifunctional and it offers a living space that can be transformed into a bed space at night, providing a dynamic and cheerful family space, not only on a budget, but also a space that is functional. We love the low-cost budget design ideas employed in this amazing tiny family home. Which part of this low-cost house appeals to you the most? Give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe and see you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, we also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below.